What's up guys, welcome to another demo of the automation using Atmega 328. So this is a demo to indicate life of a tool in a CNC machine. So suppose if a CNC machine has 4 tools and each tool has its own operating ampere range, so it will be difficult for a user to understand whether that particular tool has reached its critical stage or it has exhausted its life and it's not able to handle any more load. So that's when it needs to get replaced. So none of the current CNC machines have this intelligence built in, which will be by which a user can see and understand the life of any tool. So what I have designed is a indicator which will show for life of 4 tools. Each tool need to be set in a one-time setting with these 4 pots, and these 4 pots will not be visible to user. They'll be inside a panel. So basically this is just a demo piece, so that's the reason it is kept outside for easy access. This part, I'm not sure if you are able to see, but this is a pot which simulates the input signal. So what here I have is this is 24 volt supply. This red wire coming in, provides 24 volts. It's a capacitor to filter the noise or pulses to the ground. Then this is a 5 volt regulator which converts the 24 volt into 5 volts. This 24 volts is given as an input to this device. So this 24 volts goes inside this box for this circuit to operate. Have these 2 wires for ground. This is for the entire grounding of this box. So many wires. So each wire here represents a contact 1, 2, 3, this is 4. Every time a CNC machine changes its tool from one out of these 4, what's going to happen is these contacts will get activated with 24 volts. This is the input. So based on this input and this one-time setting, these are the LED ranges which can indicate life of a tool. Green, then I have yellow, and then I have red color. Let's start the circuit. I'll make all these inputs to ground and let's start it. Tool 1 selected with the black wire which represents tool 1. The first pot got activated and you can do the setting. Suppose this is 1 volt as an input and I want to have like 1 volt as the critical range. So I set this 1 time and then it's done. So every time 1 volt is received by this box and tool 1 is selected, all red LEDs will glow. Similarly, we can do this for other tools. Tool 2, and if you notice, this is controlled by second pot. Nothing happens when you move first, nothing happens when you move third, nothing happens when you move fourth. Only tool 2 control is activated. These 3 wires are output. As soon as the last red LED glows, and it glows for more than 2 seconds, this is the optocoupler output. The optocoupler gets activated and you can attach a buzzer or you can design an interlock out of it. So this is all about this tool life indicator, and it's a POC. Hope you liked it. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.